Hey, welcome to Nice Bike. We are the highest rated bicycle repair shop in Helsinki. This is the customer service area. To the side here we have the little workshop where we do small jobs like replacing inner tubes and gear cables and stuff like that. Here we have all of the basic accessories. We are a repair shop mainly, so we don't keep a huge amount of accessories. We just keep a lot of parts. Here we have inner tubes of all different shapes and sizes, mostly round. And then here we have the workshop. So we have Gabriel here, who is on a work experience this week, and helping him is Riku, master mechanic. These are all bikes that we have in the service queue at the moment, mostly bigger jobs, some smaller jobs, as indicated by the red tag. We have tires of all types, winter tires. Icy season is about to start, so we've been replacing some of those recently. We're in the middle of trying to be TikTok superstars, yeah? This is our storage area for all of the spare parts, cassettes, chains, brakes, that kind of stuff. As you can see, we're running out of space there, so the plan for the winter is to take all of these cabinets, which we have all around the shop, and we're going to make a full-length workbench for the whole length of the shop, so that we can store all the parts more efficiently and do more work faster, because we are the best in the universe. Bye!